Hello and welcome, my name is Barry from Quicksilver Exhaust, and here is a new F-Type P450 V8 rear wheel drive. We're going to be taking it for a little spin. This is a customer's car, new development, first system in the country with a Quicksilver Sports Exhaust Sound Architect system on it, and it sounds absolutely amazing. Factory on a lovely English summer's day where it could rain at any point, but that's what you get when you live in England. But another lovely piece of Englishness here is this beautiful F-Type, finished in French racing blue, which is controversial, but I think it looks absolutely beautiful. But let's talk about the exhaust features that we're offering and basically reasons why you should choose Quicksilver on your F-Type. Okay, basically from the GPF, OPF filters back, our system starts as a bolt-on fit, so anyone can fit it, even me, probably, maybe not, who knows. But basically, so there's no emissions or any remapping needed or required. Doesn't affect the warranty. It's just basically bolt it on and off you go. Our system is constructed from Type 304 gauge stainless steel, but the only part you need to remember is aircraft grade, mic drop. That's a winner right there. You can leave the room and just tell people you've got an aircraft grade stainless steel exhaust system on your car. It's also mandrel bent, and not to bore you too much, mandrel bent means there's no necking or compression in any of the bends or the curves, so the exhaust gases can just free flow as quickly and easily to the most optimum flow leaving the car. That's good. It will also notice when, not if, you fit this system. When you fit this system, you will notice improved throttle response. I mean, that sounds nice already. When you get to the back of the car, it gets a little bit more technical. From here you have still the two sides, each side has a silencer, but in front of that is two valves. And the valves dictate which way the gas flows are going to go. They're either going to go through the louder side or the quiet side. To describe how the Sound Architect works, there's a small electric module in the boot, Quicksilver Sound Architect module. Hasn't fully been plumbed in yet, but here you have a Quicksilver module that just can be tucked away. Now, wiring wise, you have one wire, there's the power wire that goes into the 12-volt socket in the car, which on this F-Type is actually at the front. You have two other wires that go through the floor, through a gap in the floor, which actually go into each valve. Now, to control the module, you have to download the amazing Quicksilver Sound Architect app. And then once that's installed, you Bluetooth it with the module and you can control it from the comfort of your kitchen table in the morning or in the car park when you're showing off to your mates. And it's quite simple to use. It doesn't mean you have to cut into any of the existing wiring on the car, won't affect any warranty, it can easily be removed as well, which is quite good. It's pretty good. I mean, yeah, with the valves shut, it's a happy wife, happy life, as they say. Nice and civilised, a bit more louder than stock. Valves open, perfect for the nightlife. You're going to get all the attention that your heart should desire. And well, let's hear what it sounds like. So this is valves open. Lovely V8 burble. Pretty good. Finished off by 4 carbon fibre Quicksilver branded tips to give it a real mean aggressive stance from the back. I mean, this car doesn't even have to be running for people to come up to it in the car park and they're going to know you mean business and you're bringing the sound. So really, if you need any more information, click below and get in touch with us. And you can be one of the proud owners of this new amazing system on your already amazing F-Line. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.